Hello guys, how are you? Today my recipe is very delicious. These are French toast coated with the condensed milk. The ingredients we need are 6 slices of white bread. You can use brown bread as well. 3 eggs, 3 tablespoons sugar, almonds, vanilla essence is optional, condensed milk. So let's start our unique and tasty recipe. Let's begin the recipe. We need 3 eggs, sugar, 3 tablespoons sugar. It's up to you. 3 eggs, 3 tablespoons sugar and 2 tablespoons milk. This is vanilla essence. You can use any essence, strawberry, chocolate. It's optional. So I'm using this. So if you don't like it, you can skip it. Beat it properly. We need sugar to be melted. So let's start frying. Let's start the frying. Dip the bread like this. Coat with the egg. On a light flame. We need a light flame. We need them to be golden. We fry them and give the golden color. Now they are ready. So let's start decorating them. Now our dish is ready. So pour some condensed milk on it. You can make these French toasters for your children. Give them shapes with the cutters. And if they have some nut problem, nut allergy, do not use nuts. So I'm sprinkling some almonds on it. Serve it chilled. I hope you will like my video. If you like my video, please share it and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you can get my new videos. Thank you for watching my video. Please watch till end. You will definitely like it. Thank you. Bye bye.